Can you elaborate what the music is about?
I don't really play Scottish music very much because I'm Jewish, so that's just all. That's just a dance tune called The Wizard. I learned it down the pub a couple of weeks ago. Most of the rest of the stuff I do is klezmer, which is all Ashkenazi dance music. I've got much more of a connection with that part of culture than I have with anything Scottish.
Okay.